Welcome back to AI with Win. Today we're diving into Claude 3.5 Sonnet, an AI powerhouse that's outshining GPT-4o. What makes Claude 3.5 so special? Stick around to find out. Claude 3.5 Sonnet is revolutionizing the AI landscape, surpassing GPT-4o in several benchmarks. This model isn't even Anthropic's largest, suggesting even more impressive future updates. Claude 3.5 Sonnet excels in zero shot tasks, answering questions without prior examples and explaining its reasoning process. This model is not only faster but also more accurate. What sets Claude 3.5 Sonnet apart is its ability to handle a variety of tasks. From coding and data transcription to generating plot ideas for novels, Claude is incredibly versatile. Early user feedback has been overwhelmingly positive, noting the model's clean and informative user interface. In one demo, Claude transcribed a genome sequencing timeline into JSON swiftly, showcasing its robust coding skills. It also excels at adjusting visuals, making presentations, and creating real time iterations with features like artifacts. For instance, Claude generated code for an 8-bit star crab and seashells, enabling users to build a working game in minutes. Anthropic's AI models, including Claude, consistently add new features and offer significant capability jumps at the same price as previous models. This trend is breaking the historical price to intelligence ratio, making advanced AI more affordable. Claude 3.5 Sonnet solves a higher percentage of problems in internal evaluations compared to previous models, highlighting its advancements. With new releases planned, the AI industry is evolving rapidly, ensuring continuous innovation. Anthropic is exploring new features for business use cases, including integrations with enterprise applications and memory features. These enhancements will make the user experience more personalized and efficient. Claude 3.5 Sonnet showcases Anthropic's capabilities, with improvements in performance and cost efficiency, highlighting their commitment to advancing AI technology. What do you think the future holds for AI generated creativity? Share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more groundbreaking AI updates. Remember, the future is now and it's powered by AI. See you next time on AI with Win.